Burriana, Mediterranean city, 12 kilometers of coastline, a 35 minutes distance from Valencia, a 45 minutes distance from the airport, 2 hours and a half distance from Barcelona. Burriana is a dream next to the sea, with the spectacular sunrises. Where the sea meets the sky. With 300 days of sunshine a year and yearly average temperature of 22 degrees. Historic city. Where with our past, your future begins. Where you can find the best lifestyle, surrounded by orange trees plantations. Where the Mediterranean diet is becoming reality. Project St. Gregorius, designed as a golf resort and a residential complex. Project Arenal, an ideal place to invest. 2,050,000 meters of the municipal land, a pole of the tourist development for the hotel zones, recreation and leisure. Our space, your opportunity. Fantastic land to invest in, where the sun will be your main partner.